to say about bash shell and bash history file. Bash is a shell or command language interpreter for the GNU operating system. Bash shell is the standard terminal environment included with most Linux distributions, included with macOS. It remembers the commands that you type and stores them in history file. Now let us discuss about bash history file. What is bash history file? The bash shell stores the history commands that you have run in the user account's history file. It is stored by the name .bash_history by default. For example, if your username is Bob, you will find this file in home/bob/.bash_history. This is the terminal or bash of my Kali operating system. Bash history essentially keeps all the records of the commands which are entered by the user in the command line. Let us run some of the commands and view that whether these commands are stored or not. ls-la shows all the hidden files in the present directory. cd is the change directory and you can move to the directory which you want. I am going into the logs directory and view the logs of my system. These are the log files of my system. Let's clear up all this. As we said, all the commands are being stored in the history file. Enter the following command to check whether the commands are stored or not. Enter the command history. Yeah, you can see all the commands which I have performed in the past few days. This is the history file which stores all the commands in your Linux distro. Let us dive in and check few of the commands. To recall the executor specific command, enter this exclamatory mark and the number of the command that you want to enter. Let us type 301. Yeah, you can see the ls-la command has been executed. If you want to check the time format of the commands which you enter, type this command export. Let me check the command. Yeah, that was spelling mistake. Enter this command export. Enter this command to view the time format of the history file commands which are being stored. Now again enter history command to view the time format. Yeah, you can see the time format of all the commands which have been executed. If you want to clear all this command, just enter history minus history minus history minus c, and all the commands will be cleared. Now let us check the history file. Yeah, you can see all the commands have been cleared from the history file, and exit the session.